I've got to do an intro today, so we're putting the crossguard onto the sword, and I know it's a bit of a giveaway what it's going to look like, but we're also trying to quench it. You can see how that went, and we just need to get the crossguard a bit wider from what it was, so it fits on, and let's get the forge lit. I built up a really good fire first, and it seems to have started really quickly. It's been about 3 or 4 minutes. Now I just need to let the coals properly light, because I think most of that is the wood. Alright, first heat of the day. Just widening this. I need to get the sword so I know how big to make the eye. Like that little hole in the middle. It's heated up super quick already. I mean, normally, I was just about to say, normally the forge heats up quite slowly, but literally it's been 5 minutes. I don't like it, it's been in for like 20 seconds and it's getting sparky. Could mean melting. Need to grab the sword. Still a bit of a way to go. Damn, it's heating up quick. A bit. Not sure why. I think I'll just stand the sword up like that, so I can check the fit whenever I want. It's getting pretty close. Cool, right, when that's up to temperature it'll fit now. Right, let's get this thing on. Heat it up to as high as I can before it melts. Get the sword ready. And 3, 2, 1. Boom, that's locked on tight. not sure what to do next, really. Might be heat treatment. Everything's pretty straight. That's on solid. Yeah, I think that's next. Cool.
Right, so it's really annoying, it just doesn't get hot enough. So I've had to put it in the water because it's just not working. And now I'm worried I might have quenched the middle bit. So I'm not sure what to do really. Just run the file along it to see if any bit is hard. No, not really. So I'm putting it back in because it's gone a bit wonky from me like pushing down so it doesn't fall out. I don't know how I'm going to quench it.
Right, so today we got the crossguard on. It worked really well. It's not loose at all like the last one, which means that it will like, I don't know if you can see this, hang on. Right, now you can punch them on and slit their neck, then stab through someone's armour, and then you can just chop their head off. But so what's really annoying is that the forge doesn't get hot enough to like go like that along the length of it and heat up the whole sword, which didn't surprise me really. I mean, I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it. I might need to build a trench forge, which is basically just like a long thin line with little holes in the bottom. I also they got some like tubes, like square tubes at school. Anyway, apart from that, I didn't get as much done as I want today. And we also found this in the bottom of the quenching bucket back there. Don't know if you can see that. And that's quite good, because I was a bit concerned it might be in the grass, and when I ride around on the tractor to cut the grass, it might absolutely kill the blade on the tractor, and they're not cheap. So anyway, see you in episode 12.